Hey guys, this is gonna be the fastest review slash tutorial we ever had, as I am just getting ready to leave house. I literally have 30 minutes and I just got this box from Technic delivered to me, so I thought why not to do a little review and use these products for today's look. So we got a lot of goodies, so without any further ado, let's check what we have. Got 3 setting sprays in here. Got the Prep Set and Finish setting spray with hyaluronic acid, matte and long lasting. Then I got Glow Setter setting spray with hyaluronic acid, glowy and long lasting. And then I have a Wake Up Hydrate setting spray with hyaluronic acid and caffeine, grips and sets. All 3 setting sprays sounds just amazing. We're gonna start from the eyes. So as the eye product, I got this Summer Wipes, by the way, all collection is Summer Wipes, Press Pigment Palette. Here we go. I also got this Illuminating Loose Powder, Summer Wipes in a color Light It Up, which looks absolutely amazing. Got 3 different lip oils. Then I have some Summer Wipes, lipstick and lip liner duos. Summer Loving, Sandstorm. And then we have, which I'm super excited about the most, the liquid blushes. We all love some blushes now. It comes in a glass as well packaging. We got 3 shades: Healing Blush, Sambonites, Tequila Sunset. Alright, the eyelids are prepped. Let's go in with this Summer Wipes eyeshadow palette. They call it the Press Pigment Palette, but they have some shimmers and some mattes. For example, this is a matte shade. Oh my god, this is so pigmented. Okay, wasn't expecting that. And then they have shimmers, like pressed pigments. Wow, this is actually very creamy. Okay, let's create a makeup look using these. As I said, I'm gonna be a little bit rushing today because I'm in a rush. Starting from the Beauty Universal Base Brush. I use the shade Azelaic Transition Color. Just going out the corner into the crease, like higher than the creases. So we want this to be a little bit visible, but not like crazy. Using the same brush, I'm adding a little bit of this color in the eye corner and to the middle on the mobile lid. And we're gonna use this pressed pigment in this area exactly. Okay, so for pigment, I really love the shade as we just swatched, so I'm gonna do that. Gonna use my finger. Just gonna press this middle to the mobile lid. Okay, now that I'm applying this pigment on the top of the powder, it doesn't really like show off as much as it did on my hand when I swatched it for some reason. I don't know, maybe because I applied the powder underneath so it doesn't have a grip. I don't really want it to be super intense. We're going for a day look, so this is just perfect actually. I just applied off the camera eyeliner. It's not really eyeliner, it's a NYX Lift and Snatch Brow Pen in Espresso, but I love to use this as eyeliner. I'm using the Precision Shadow Brush by the Beauty in this darker brown shade. I'm just gonna go with this on the top of the eyeliner, just to kind of smudge it a bit. Oh, this is very pigmented. Okay, I wasn't expecting that much pigment. We're gonna blend it with this fluffier brush on top of this. As you see, I'm just going exactly where my eyeliner is. Fluffy brush we used before, the Universal Base Brush by Beauty, just to soften the shade. A bit of a mascara and we can use another product. For the mascara, I'm actually going to use the Technique mascara. I got this before, this is not from this haul. It's the Intense Lash Mascara with jojoba oil. I've been loving this mascara. Literally using loviness. They don't say it's waterproof, but yeah, it stays all day on. Doesn't bleed or crease or anything, like, you know, crumble, flake. Yeah, definitely recommend this mascara. Alright, mascara is on. Before I'm gonna go and apply the foundation, let's quickly try and use this Wake Up and Hydrate setting spray with hyaluronic acid and caffeine that says grips and sets prior applying the foundation, because I think it's gonna be a nice like primer. So let's just do that. Shake this. Really love the way it sprays. It's like a super gentle mist. Okay, it looks good. Let me quickly apply the foundation and do some cream contour, and then we can try these blushes. Let's test out these blushes to see which one we're gonna use today. So I'm gonna start from this one called the Feeling Flush. Love the pump. I love this, like a light coral color. Another shade we have is the Sambonites. more like an orangey peachy color. The last one we have is a Tequila Sunset. Okay, I think I'm gonna go for this shade, which is the Feeling Flush. Gonna use a flathead foundation brush by Beauty. It's a bit stained as I've been using this. So I'm just gonna take some off my hand as it looks very pigmented. I'm gonna tap on the top of my cheeks as I want to look sculpted. Ooh, love this. Okay, definitely would recommend to take it off your hand with a brush, so it's not that super intense. I'm gonna quickly set this with a powder and come back to use to do the lippy because we got so many different ones. Before we're gonna apply any lippy, I totally forgot we got this Summer Vibes Illuminating Loose Powder and light it up. We're gonna use on the top of the cheekbones, a bit on the nose bridge, and on the shoulders. So for that I'm gonna use a Beauty highlighter brush. Ooh, I love how natural it looks. It's like a perfect shade. Love this. A little bit on the nose bridge. And then some on the shoulders. Alright, let's do the swatches of all the lippies, and then for the lip oil I think I'm just gonna go on the top of a lippy to give it a little bit of a gloss. So let's start from this shade called Summer Lovin'. It's a red color. So the lippy itself. Oh, the lippy itself feels very creamy. And then the lip liner as well. Very delicious. Feels very, very creamy. And the lip liner, the same shade. Sandstorm. So the lip liner. And the lippy itself. Which shade I should go for? I like this one. Let's go for this one. The Sandstorm. So first I'm gonna line the lips off. And the lipstick part. Okay, let's check these lip oils we have in here. Should we do a little swatches? We'll love a good lip oil. So I got the Pina Colada, the green shade, the Mojito, which is just a transparent one, and the Cosmopolitan, the light pink. Let's start from the Cosmopolitan. Let's see. Held it up to kind of finish it. Pina Colada. The transparent one. Can you see a difference? To me it all... Oh no, it does have a little tint to it. Okay, take my words. Like a slightly little tint. So I think today I'm gonna use the Cosmopolitan on the top of my lippy. Oh my god, it smells amazing. Oh, I need to sniff the rest of it. Because this smells so good. Smells like some kind of fruit, like some berries. It does smell like pina colada. Okay, mojito. It smells like mojito actually. Oh my god. Okay, pina colada. Oh my god, smells like pina colada. I'm not even joking, you guys. Oh, so good. Let's use another setting spray. So I don't know which one to use. I think I'm gonna go for the glow one instead of the prep, set and finish. Oh, this one is good for a prep as well, but we use different setting spray. So this is a setting spray glow getter. So it's the glowy and long lasting. We love that. Smells absolutely amazing, you guys. Okay, let's finish off the lower lash line. So for that I'm gonna use this first brush that we used before, the Universal Base Brush. I'm so in a rush, you guys, you have no idea. The Universal Base Brush, and then this light shade. I'm gonna go all over the lower lash line. Okay, that's done. A little bit of the eyeliner to the inner corner, just because I like it. Some mascara, and we are done. and the makeup look is done. Okay, and that's the finished look. As I said, I have very limited time, therefore I went for super easy, quick, daily, kind of glowy glam look. What I think about these products that I tried, the blushes, oh my god, the bomb. I think from all the products that I tried, I would recommend the most the blushes because it's just so super good. Blushes are trending, the cream blushes are trending in general as a makeup product. Go get yourself these because they are super affordable. All the products in here are super affordable. The setting sprays feels amazing on the skin, feels very hydrating, looks amazing. And then this highlighter thing, oh my god, big thumbs up. The lip oils, we all love a good lip oil, so love it. The lippies, the thing I don't like about it is not transfer proof. So if you don't like something that, you know, you need to keep topping up constantly, it might not be for you. Otherwise, it's very creamy. If you're looking for something hydrating, it's a good thing. Now the eyeshadow palette, I wouldn't go and get this, let's say that in a nice words. The mattes are very pigmented and the shimmer when I swatch with a finger, but once I was applying shimmer with the brush, it doesn't look as pigmented, it doesn't look as popping as it was on the hand. Although the lip is, you guys, I forgot to say, this is how it stained my hands, so it means it's gonna stay on the lips. So maybe it's gonna stay on the lips longer then because it's staining. Makes sense? So maybe long lasting in a way. So I'm not too sure about it. But anyways, I need to leave the house now, so I'm gonna try to wrap this up as quick as I can. Love majority of the products. Blushes, go get it, you won't regret it. If you enjoyed watching this video and you found this helpful, please, as always, don't forget to press the thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more, leave a comment down below, let me know what you think. If you tried any of these products, this brand, by the way, is vegan and cruelty free, as all the rest of the brands I've been trying and testing and using for the last 2 years. All the brushes I use is by Beauty, that I just dropped the brushes. It's by Beauty, the brand that I own. If you don't know this yet, guys, code ingrida.dainuoju would save you 15% off site-wide, including bundles, which is already cheaper. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed watching this. Have a fantastic day. I need to go now, so see you soon. Bye!